To add a clock in Notion, you will first need to open your Notion account and navigate to the page where you want to add the clock. Once you are on the desired page, click on the Add a Block button, which is represented by a plus sign. A drop-down menu will appear with various block options, including text, to-do lists, and more. To add a clock, you will need to use the template option. Click on the template option and then select the clock template from the list of available templates. If you do not see a clock template, you can also use the calendar template and customize it to display the current time. To do this, click on the calendar template and then click on the settings icon. From the settings menu, you can choose to display the current time by clicking on the checkbox next to the time option. You can also customize the clock to display the time in a specific time zone or format. Once you have added the clock to your page, you can resize it and move it to the desired location. You can also use the clock in conjunction with other blocks, such as text or to-do lists, to create a customized dashboard or homepage. Best practices for using a clock in Notion include using it to track time zones, schedule appointments, and set reminders. You can also use the clock to create a sense of urgency or to track the time spent on a specific task. In addition to using the clock template, you can also use Notion's calendar feature to schedule events and appointments. To do this, click on the calendar icon and then click on the plus sign to create a new event. From the Event Settings menu, you can choose the date and time of the event, as well as add a description and invite attendees. You can also use the calendar to set reminders and notifications, making it a powerful tool for managing your time and schedule. By following these steps and using the clock and calendar features in Notion, you can create a customized and effective time management system that helps you stay organized and on track.